You might have heard the term, you can't protect what you can't see. And visibility is a key component to be able to provide end-to-end segmentation. We need to know who and what is on our network, the context at which those devices were permitted into our environment. So if we take a couple users, Bob and Jane, we may look at the location that they're connecting in from, how they're accessing the network, the wired, the wireless, and we may say, okay, both of those systems are considered posture clean. One gets a tag red and the other one gets a tag blue. And we do that to be able to have segmentation services inside of the network, right? Reducing that blast radius in case something or if something does happen. How we leverage that tag throughout the infrastructure to be able to provide that segmentation goes all the way up to, let's say, the branch edge, where we may have a router or a security appliance that's providing that segmentation service or that access control service. If the user is accessing something in my data center, I could leverage those colors, those red and blue tags from my users at the data center edge. Moving into the workload and the application access to where my data is, I can also use that tag information, that contextual information that's indicated by that color tag to give us the ability to say yes or no, that this user should or should not have access. If they're accessing a cloud service, maybe out to the internet or maybe a SaaS application, I should be able to use that tag information for or as part of my end-to-end segmentation. And so being able to have context from where the user originally connects in and be able to enforce that throughout the network is end-to-end segmentation.